Now, your weather link with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Kirk.
Let's track your forecast at Anchorage and South Central. Overnight, we've got fair conditions, temperatures in the low teens into the upper single digits. Going to be a seasonally cold night out there. Tracking feature radar, most areas are clear, more clouds as you track further south. And tomorrow, kind of the same story. At the end of the day tomorrow, a little snow may try to sneak up to around Seward. Now, what we're really tracking is heading to Sunday. It looks like snow will spread across the entire area. May start off dry around Anchorage, but it looks like it fills in as we go through the day. It's not looking like a big accumulation, but we could see a dusting to a couple inches, just depending upon exactly how it evolves. That's what it looks like right now. In fact, here's take a look at one of the models showing around an inch of accumulation with that system as we track through Sunday. So if you want to see snow, this is probably another disappointment, but sometimes these can surprise a little bit. But overall, the wind, not too bad. A little gusty in Palmer, breezy Valdez to Cordova. But overall, as we track into tomorrow, we're looking at mostly light breezes. And then we'll see some wind building across the southern Kenai as that next system comes in. And we'll get some gusts, even up to Turning Arm, and maybe become breezy for a little bit in Anchorage Sunday morning before the snow falls. And then once the snow falls, we'll see any wind diminishing. For tomorrow in Anchorage, partly cloudy and a high temperature of 18. Elsewhere, we'll have 16 in Palmer. Whittier, a high of 20, just above freezing in Homer for your high temperature. 12 is your high in Valdez, and 24 in Cordova. The wind remains a big issue around Juneau through tomorrow evening. High wind warning until 9 o'clock on your Saturday. We've also got strong gusts that will continue in Skagway. Let's look at these winds, which will gust to 50 miles per hour overnight. And some spots could see gusts in the 60 to 70 mile per hour range. Right on through tomorrow, we're going to continue to see these gusts, potentially up around 50 miles per hour in Juneau, 30 plus in Skagway. Further south, not too much in the way of wind. And then we'll go into Sunday, it finally diminishes and we'll have a much better day. Well, at least we'll lose the really nasty wind chills we're seeing out there. Let's check out the forecast overnight. Along with that wind, the actual temperatures will be somewhere around 10. Some spots maybe a little more sheltered will sneak down to single digits. Wind chills, when it gusts, around minus 30 in Juneau and minus 40 in Skagway. So pretty dangerous. Continues tomorrow morning. Cold, but not as bad further south, but cold nonetheless. But with the wind, it's going to keep those wind chills very low, at least in the minus 20s. As we track through Saturday evening. So in Juneau tomorrow, another windy day and a high of 14. Those are your sustained winds right there, up around 30 miles per hour. 23 is your high in Yakutat tomorrow, 22 in Sitka. We'll have sunshine and 15 in Petersburg and a cold day in Ketchikan, a high temperature of 20. Meanwhile, in the Panhandle, in the interior, we track temperatures in the minus teens overnight, not far from average, but definitely a cold night. Take a look at some advisories. We have a winter weather advisory continuing from the Nana to Tanana through midday tomorrow. That's for blowing snow. We're not going to see any actual snow falling during the day tomorrow. And we have an air quality warning. Fairbanks, a stage 1 alert. North Pole, a stage 2 alert. That's in effect until noon on Sunday. Some breezes on the west overnight will be diminishing as we head into the day tomorrow. Looks like some wind will pick up on the Alaska Range as we track into Sunday. Future radar, pretty quiet, tracking through your Saturday. But watch as we go into Sunday, it looks like some bands of snow will move them from the west. Probably heavier around Tanana, but we could pick up some light accumulation in and around Fairbanks as we track through Sunday afternoon. Tomorrow, mostly clear. Minus 4 is our high temperature for Fairbanks. Minus 2, Tanana. 4 above in Nenana. 22, Denali National Park. And minus 1 is your high for Delta Junction. After the break, we'll check out your next 7 days.